Hi guys, welcome to my birthday vlog. Currently 1:40 at the moment, 1:40 a.m. Yes, and I can explain, guys. I can explain. I'm actually supposed to be in bed sleeping by now, but I'm actually prepping for my photo shoot. My photo shoot is today by 12 p.m. So I need to like put some things in order to ensure the shoot goes well. Yeah, I just did my nails. I did it myself. Yeah. So what else? Okay, there's actually something I want to share with you guys. Probably I'll be sharing it later in the day. Yeah. So welcome once again to my birthday vlog. So I'll be carrying you guys on a journey of my birthday. Does it make sense? I don't know.
A few moments later.
So this is actually 9:41 and I'm awake. Yeah. So my makeup appointment is for 10:30 and the photo shoot. Okay, so the photo shoot is actually 12 p.m. I said that earlier as of this morning. Yeah. So I woke up this morning and I decided to clean up after last night because I had to like sort things out prepping for the shoot and all. So I scattered my house a bit. So uh I've been able to arrange it. Yeah, and that's it. I think I'll just have my bath, get something to eat, and just move. Okay, quick one. I just remembered something and decided to quickly do it because I might not remember to tell later. Yeah. Do you guys have this set of people in your life that when you tell not to do something, like for example probably your workspace, and you're like, please, I don't want anyone putting anything on my workspace, and when they come in, is that workspace they are going to go and drop something there, or that particular person that you tell don't wear your shoe inside because of sand and everything, like take it off outside, then the house is clean and all, but no, will not even listen to you, would bring that same shoe inside and always have excuses in his defense. I don't know what to do. Yeah, they're my friends, I'm calling them out. Yeah.
1 hour later.
I'm actually on my way and I'm very much late, guys. I didn't even wear my hair. By the way, I'm not married. Yeah. It's actually my friend's ring and I didn't want to leave it in the house, so I decided to. Yeah. You guys, I'm done with my makeup. Yeah, that's me with my makeup and I love it.
A few moments later.
two bridesmaids. She's doing the bride's hair. She's adjusting it and making her look pretty.
That's why you got smiling. I'm tired and I'm heading home. Here are the clowns that came in.
Wow. Clowns. They are a clown too now. I'm coming to your
I
comment
like the way
section.
you do like this.
Coming to your
Like-
comment section.
Clown, Timmy, clown, Miriam, give your logo.
You say clown. We are in the UK.
Well, those houses are like
Sarashiku. Sarakushi.
Sakashiro
Sakashiro.
in the United Kingdom.
In the UK.
Yeah.
You see my gugulu gugugu.
Why in the UK, guys? We're enjoying London. This is Sakashiro in London.
Yeah. You should come here.
Yeah.
It's so the environment is so serene.
Seriously.
Oh,
and
gosh.
it's peaceful here actually.
Yeah.
So I think you guys should start coming here. Yes, and there's employment opportunities.
And we saw there's a form of transportation. They call them Okada.
Yes, Okada, yeah.
It's so nice to see that here.
Seriously.
You know? Oh my
and
gosh.
tricycle, keke marua.
Yeah, and it's color yellow. And
Yeah.
what's other color?
I think it's just yellow.
Yeah. It's so nice.
Yeah, makes sense.
We like the sun, it's vitamin C, so we're just walking. We just want to take it into our skin. It has some sort of healing.
We're actually taking a walk, like exploring the city.
Yeah,
The
Sakashiro. Yeah, the city.
Yeah.
So try it.
You guys should start coming here.
There's just a little side effect.
Leave Nigeria
You might be
and start
black
coming
by
to
the time you get
Sakashiro.
Oh, we're not going, my baby. You see, so sweet.
And
The
Ross
Okada man. He said, "I'm
just called her a baby.
Oh my gosh.
If you don't have anyone calling you baby,
yeah, come to
just
Sakashiro.
come here.
A few days later.
I can explain the situation of my head right now. Like, I'm going to make my hair and I'm also following out to the market. Like, I'm using one
Why are you
stone
talking?
to kill two birds because this person. So I'm using one stone to kill two birds. So that's just it. Yeah, birthday preparation. Miriam.
One extremely annoying shift later.
Someone got telling me to use my attitude. Like,
Who was telling you to use your
that woman that she was there when this happened. She was like, hey, they're following you. I was like, I don't understand. No wives, no water, nothing. Why do you like market so much?
The joy of market is finding the right things in the right place at affordable prices. You have to explore to get the right things.
Because I'm not like me, I'm tired.
After 2,000 years, we are home.
Babe. Miriam. What's time? Okay, it's currently 4:43, 23rd of September. Yeah, tomorrow is my birthday. Eh, 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 eh. So I just want to give you guys a quick Update. I think I wrote them down because right now my head is all over the place. Okay. Um, food and drink. You guys have seen that already. So we went to the market today. I went with my friend Miriam. Shout out to Miriam. I love that girl so much. Like she did a lot for me. Yeah. Okay. Guitar, invitation. I already sent out invitations. Hair. My hair is on fleek, guys. Yeah. Photo shoot done by my home brother. Yeah, Toby the Sumo. Yeah, and outfits. My outfit has been sorted. Yeah. So decor. So we'll be decorating here very soon. Yeah, we got the balloons, and what we got is not even complete. We might still have to go to the market or we improvise. Yeah, and I think that's it. Yeah, so hey, I said I wanted to share something with you guys the other day, and I just remembered. Not not that I just remembered, not that I forgot. I just had time to like share with you guys, and it's actually being in tune with the Holy Spirit, like being in sync with him. You understand? Like he leads you, you follow. As in concerning this birthday, I had no plans, like zero plans. Like I was thinking it's just gonna be a normal day, like the normal thing I do every year. Just it just like dawned on me, like guy, God has actually been faithful, like all through the years, all through 20 something years of my life. Yeah, I'm not gonna tell you my age. Yeah, all through 20 something years of my life, he has actually been faithful. And my life basically is actually a life of worship. Do you get like the meaning of my name is Kiki like full of praise. So who am I if I would not praise and worship my maker and my father? Yeah, so I decided to have a worship meeting. Yeah, with dinner with my friends. That's my village people and few of other friends that are around and also when I thought of it, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm low on funds. I have plans with the money that is with me and everything. Like, I don't think I have plans for birthday right now. Like, let me just take it off. How everything is being sorted now till now, like how the plan is going till now, I don't know. I just know that bills are being paid and I'm getting whatever it is that I want. And I am grateful to God for it. And I said all of that rather to say that just trust God with everything. You'll be surprised at which things will just turn out to be. Do you understand? Just follow his leading. And let me even share something with you guys. I reached out to a friend, Faye. Shout out to you, Faye. Yeah, so I reached out to her and like, okay, guy, what's up? I need to please hold on, guys. Okay, so I'm back. So that I need to decorate my space. I have no idea. I wish you were around. You would have helped me. Yada yada yada. So she was like, okay. So she sent some pictures to me and all. So when she sent them, I was like, oh, nice. And before that time, there was something that God laid in my heart. But I was thinking it's just my head. Do you get like it's just my head, like creating a space where people write what they want and everything. So when that came, I just pushed that thought like it's just your head, like don't overdo things and like that, like that. So then before you knew it, oh, she sent the call she said something, Sha. So what she said, I just saw this part where she was like believing God for, then people were writing what they were believing God for, and I was like, oh my god, like I literally screamed like guys, like oh my god, like God, that was you and all, and I was so excited. And also, it shows that God is actually intentional. Like when you're thinking that thing is just in your head and everything, trust me, He just has a way of showing you that, oh, it's not just your head, it's actually me directing you and guiding your path to that path, if that makes sense. Yeah. So that's the update on my birthday. So my birthday's tomorrow, guys. Yeah. So I guess I'll be seeing you guys on my birthday.